It's March right now, and a lot of us are wondering what can we do outside in the month of March in the garden. Before you know it, the weather is going to be beautiful and everything is going to be blooming. So here are a few things that you can do in the month of March if you live in a cold climate that are going to help your garden in the long run. If you have tall ornamental grasses, you can start by cutting them back all the way to the ground above, about 2 to 3 inches above ground, before the new growth starts to show up. Because once the new growth starts to show up, it's going to be tricky to cut them back. Because if you cut the tops of the grasses off, then those blades are always going to look like they've been chopped up. Another thing you can do right now that's going to greatly benefit your garden, even if you live in a cold climate, is to go ahead and start fertilizing your shrubs and your trees. Even though the weather might still be cold outside, those plants are actually starting to wake up because it's starting to warm up a little bit at night and the soil is warming up, so the plants are getting triggered to wake up. By using an organic fertilizer, you would be actually feeding the soil and the plants and enhancing your soil structure. Another thing that you can do right now is pruning your shrubs and your trees. They are going to greatly benefit from that. I have a video on pruning roses, and soon I will be releasing a video on how to prune your hydrangeas and how to prune your fruit trees. You guys can follow along with these videos to learn how to prune your shrubs and your trees. And speaking of fruit trees, if you do have any fruit trees, now is a great time to apply your all-season horticultural oil on them with a spray to prevent the bugs from devouring your fruit trees. I like to spray them with a copper fungicide because our area gets super humid in the summer, and a lot of the fruit trees are actually susceptible to fungal diseases. So by spraying that copper fungicide, it's going to stop those fungal diseases from occurring on those trees. And just doing it one time in the season, as soon as the buds begin to swell, is the right time to actually spray that copper fungicide. So first you want to apply your all-season horticultural oil, and then once the season warms up a tiny bit and the buds begin to swell, that's when you apply your copper fungicide. And by doing that, you are going to guarantee that your fruit trees and even your roses, I do that on my roses as well, are going to be healthy all season long. Now these two are both organic, the all-season horticultural oil and the copper fungicide, so they are safe to use on edible plants as well as on ornamentals. Keep in mind that if you do spray the copper fungicide or the horticultural oil during the blooming season, you are actually going to be harming the pollinators, and we love our pollinators. We don't want to harm those pollinators, so it's best to spray it before they begin to bloom. And that's my tips for you on what to do during the month of March in your garden if you live in a cold climate.